Hi, everybody. This is Mike from Cappsure. If you're a commercial property manager, municipal parks and rec manager, or facilities manager director, I'm going to run through the attributes of Cappsure and why they're valuable to you and your team. So, Cappsure is a mobile app. It's very easy to use, and it can be used on any iOS or Android device. This is what it looks like, and these circles, each of these circles represents a property that your team may take care of, or it could be your own property. So I'm going to go ahead and select the property that I'm at right now. And the first thing that you're going to see is that there is a geofence of the property. So in terms of Cappsure is map-based. The first attribute is simplicity. So Cappsure is map-based. It's also picture-based. So any of the items that your team wants to report, they can simply select a picture or a photo in Cappsure and select it. It's very, very easy for everybody to use. The second attribute is accuracy. So each of your properties will have a geofence around it. That makes sure that when Cappsure users have to be on property when they are doing their reports. So they simply, it identifies and understands when a Cappsure user is on property, and it allows them to go ahead and produce reports. The geofence also helps you understand whether crews are on property or not on property, and can communicate what time they arrived and departed. And that information is also archived. So that's another valuable attribute. Fast training and deployment. As I mentioned, Cappsure's picture-based, so it's very easy to use and very easy to train and deploy. Typically, most users are up and running within the first day that they do the training. So it's very fast for deployment, and that adds a lot of value to get it going with your team. The next attribute is visibility. So you know when your crews are on site, I mentioned that, and you get real-time reports. So I'm going to go ahead and create a quick report in Cappsure. I'm going to go ahead and select a maintenance report. And say, for example, my crews are at the property and they're doing weed removal. And I'm going to remove weeds. I'll select the line item, remove weeds. Then I can begin to simply touch the map and draw different locations as to where they may have removed weeds. So it's very easy to use, and the visibility, once these reports are completed, actually before they're completed, I can add photos and notes of specific items that need service, which is great. I can add notes in the notes field. I'll go ahead and scribble some notes in. Save that. So now I've got photos and notes with a specific line item, and I'll hit the happy face, which is another symbol of how easy it is to use. Those items are captured. And I was talking about accountability. So you know what vendors or what team members create reports, and this is direct accountability. So you have that transparency also. So there's a communication feature with Cappsure that's great also. When employees in the field or vendors complete their reports, those reports can be shared via email with team members, other departments, or other stakeholders, which is fantastic. And that's all real time. So there's a clear communication trail about what services were done at specific properties. The next attribute is quality. So this is what happens when you combine technology with accountability and self-reporting. You're going to see quality of the maintenance and care at the properties improve. There's a direct correlation between property reporting and quality improvement. Convenience is the next attribute. You can view any report from Cappsure. I'm going to go ahead and complete this particular report by clicking this thumbs up on your screen. That report is available to any one of your constituents or stakeholders or team members right away on their mobile device. As soon as that report says okay, they can view it from the back end of their system, or they can get those reports emailed to them. It's versatile and secure. Cappsure, as I mentioned, works with iOS and Android mobile devices. It has a secure, password-protected back end, and it's a cloud-based system. Last thing I wanted to mention is Cappsure is extremely affordable. That's the best part. For as little as $8 per property per month, you can have Cappsure deployed within your organization. This is Mike from Cappsure. Thanks for listening. You can go to www.cappsure.com or contact us at info@cappsure.com, and we'll be glad to set up a demo, schedule a demo, or set up an appointment to do a demo for you. Thank you so much.